What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to earn $300 by typing names online. Now this is something that a bunch of people have created videos on, and I've been going back and forth as to should I actually create a video on this, because I have done this and I have made $300. Made it one time. That was about 2.5 weeks ago. And the reason why I wanted to actually publish this video is because these people that are creating the videos, they're putting the ideas out there, which is great, and I applaud them for that. The only problem is there's so many questions that are coming from them releasing this video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $300 by typing names online, and this can be done worldwide. However, there is some limitations, so I want to explain that in just a second. But I also want to give you a tip at the end of this video how you can almost guarantee you will make $300 by typing names online. So if you're ready, let's go. Alright, so what is this idea? Now again, if you've seen other videos just like this one, then you know it's called squadhelp.com. Now, you can go to squadhelp.com. It's absolutely free to join, okay? Come up here, you can click on contest and go down to become a creative. That's the page we're on right now. Here's the cool part. What you do is you submit your ideas in naming companies, different businesses, different things. You come up with slogans, maybe logo ideas, things like that. If the person that's holding the contest picks you as the winner, you end up making the money, and then you end up getting paid through PayPal, which you can get badges and points and bragging rights, which is great, but I'd rather have the money, okay? Here's some questions that a lot of people ask. How do you get paid? You get paid through PayPal, okay? So if you do not accept PayPal, or PayPal is not an acceptable form of payment in your country, you cannot use this business model. Also, you have to use you gotta have a W-9 or a W-8 BEN form because they do, you will have to pay taxes on it. So if that's something you can't get, you don't have access to it, then obviously this will not work for you. But here's the cool part. When you go in, okay, once you actually go in and you do the whole, you jump to a couple of different hoops. They have you name, kind of sample businesses, things like that. And if your ideas are not good, they are not going to accept you as a contributor, okay, as a creative. But if your samples are good, they will accept you, and then you can come in and you can start going through some of these things, okay? So here's the cool part. Now, I didn't log in. We're just going to go under all these, outside of my login, okay? And so look at this. So a preeminent IT consulting company, okay? They want you to do the naming of their company, okay? There's 4 days left. There's 23 entries. And guaranteed prize, $300, okay? Now, this, you might get paid. There's 23 entries, so there's a good chance. There's a much better chance of getting paid here than down here, okay, with this person that has 319 different entries. But this one is to have a product name for a specific product sold on Amazon, okay? Now, this was something that I actually did, but I didn't come up with it myself. We came up with a slogan for a product that was being sold on Amazon, which was incredible because I didn't make $300, okay? And so, name it for a business, all this stuff, all right? Now look at this. These are just people that have made some money this month. Or last month this person won 12 different ones. And so this is the amount they earned total. This is not just in the last month. So last month they won 12. If they're getting paid, let's say $300 for each one, that means they would have made $3,600 last month just by naming different businesses, coming up with different slogans, even maybe doing a logo design, all right? And you can see down here, look at what some of these people have earned, okay? The amount they've earned. 7,200, 41,000, 27,000, 4,400, 66,000, 28,000, 19,000, $2,000, almost 9,000, 19,000, 5,000, 12,000, 43, 30,000. You get it, okay? And 26,000, okay? This is it. These are just the top 25 for the ranking of this month. I guarantee I'm not on there because I've only won one, okay? But look at this. You probably have no idea what are these people looking for. I just don't know. Okay, you don't know. You don't know what they're looking for. But let's look right here. This person they were looking for a tagline, naming of a consulting company. And this person came up with well, if I can get rid of that, from complexity to clarity. See, this one, view the winning design right there. Look at that. Okay, logo for a real estate and finance business. They made $250 off that. This one over here for water testing, premium water testing, premiumwatertesting.com. I don't know why they paid money for that, but they did. Okay, this one's awaiting domain registration, brand name for beauty, clam shelters. Okay, brand name for disaster relief shelters. Okay, clam shelters. Pretty cool. $200. Aquadash, brand name for a swimwear business. View the wing design, swiped right there. Pretty cool. Logo and the business card. You get the idea, okay? That there's a bunch of different stuff you can do, and they're making 150, 100, 300, 300, okay? You know, Bella Lux, 200, 200, 350, Ozone Station, product name for medical purposes, cleaning machine. Ozone Station, ozonstation.com. That's pretty cool. $100 for that. Okay, paid out on May 30th. That's what I'm talking about. It's so easy to make money. Okay, once you know what you're doing, once you have an idea of what they're looking for, and you can start coming up with different ideas yourself. Or in just a second, I'm going to show you a little hack you can use that I personally use that I was able to win. Okay, I was able to get first place, get the $300, and I didn't have to come up with anything, which is incredible. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a second. But I want to give you some tips before we get there. All right, so now that I've introduced you to this opportunity of how to make some money by typing names online, I want to give you some advice. The first piece of advice I want to give you, and kind of just mention it, but you get paid through PayPal. So if you cannot accept PayPal from your country, then it's not going to work for you. Okay, so there's no reason to ask, does it work in this country or that country? If you accept PayPal, if PayPal is an acceptable form of payment in your country, you can use this exact business model. Okay, you can use Squad Help to make some money. Okay, the second thing is by submitting names, by typing these names online, whether it's a company name, a slogan, or some other thing, you are not guaranteeing you will make money. The only guarantee comes from the one winner. And every once in a while, two people will have the exact same idea, so they will split that money, that $300, that $200, or in some cases it's only $100. But still, you do end up making some money. So let me give you some more advice, some more tips on how you can guarantee that you make some money. Alright guys, so let me give you some tips. This is exactly what I did, alright? So the first thing that you can do is, if you go to reddit.com or you go to a popular forum, I personally like Reddit, but this was a great way to find free ideas. This is all you gotta do, okay? Go over here and type in business, right? Because we want to get into the business subreddit, okay? So we're gonna be right here. So we're gonna click on that. Once we're here, this is where you would submit a new post, okay? This is where you would ask, okay? So if I went to submit a post, okay? And so we don't want a link. We're just going to do text. Let's do help. I need a new business name. Okay? And here's where we'd add text. I really need some help naming my business. I have a business in, and then this is where you put whatever, let's see, name a fun, unique lifestyle company. Okay, so there we go. I have a business that is going to be a fun, unique lifestyle company, and I need your help coming up with a great name. Thanks for your help. Please submit your answers in the comments below. There we go. Okay, that's where it's gonna be. That's our subreddit. Okay, and business. And okay, we're not gonna promote our business. We're not spamming. Okay, and so that's all we're doing. Send replies in my inbox. Submit. Okay, that's all we would do. Okay, and the reason why we do this is because if I don't know how to come up with an idea, and honestly I don't, I didn't come up with any winning ideas. Okay, so I want to go after people that might have an idea. These are other people that run businesses, so they might know. Or if you don't want to go after the free method and spend some time doing that and decide, is this good or is it bad, or what am I thinking here? There's somewhere else you can go. You can go to Fiverr.com, type in business name. All right. Here's the cool thing. I will think of 5 original name ideas for your business, brand, or service, starting at $45. Okay, I didn't pay that. Okay, but what I did is I actually hired a few different people. Okay, I think there might have been like 4 or 5 people that I hired, but I paid anywhere from $5 to $10 for their different ideas, for their slogans, for their different their names of different businesses, things like that. Okay, obviously, I will call you and then create your business or product name, USA only, starting at $90. I didn't pay that. Okay, again, starting at $5 to $10 is what I paid, but you're gonna pay more if you're looking for somebody that has a bunch of experience. I wasn't looking for somebody that had a bunch of experience because I didn't want to pay hundreds of dollars and then realize I didn't win over on squadhelp.com, right here. Okay, and so you want to make sure that if you are paying for it over on Fiverr.com, great. Okay, I'll create fantastic business name, brand name, logo design, company name, domain name, all this great stuff, starting at $5. That's what I would do. Is if you don't know what to come up with, you have no clue, but you are looking at doing this, you can. All you need to do is go to Fiverr.com and hire somebody to do the work for you, or go and create an actual subreddit, post your question over on reddit.com, and then the people that actually submit their ideas and help you out, take that idea and run with it. If you do this, it's not a guarantee you're going to make money. However, it does increase your chances because you are using other people. You're using outside resources, and gives you more of an idea of how you can actually name these different companies. Okay? If we keep going back, name a business, logo design for Okio. Our website is okio.com. Logo for a consulting agency. Okay? $250. Let's see. And so this is one that you got to sign the NDA, the non-disclosure agreement. Okay, this contest brief is only visible to those creatives who sign a non-disclosure. Obviously, you need to sign it. Almost every one of these, you're going to have an NDA. Okay? And let's see. Keep going. Brand name for a retail company. All right, cool. There's a lot of options here. Okay? You just got to understand. If you're willing to put in the work, and there's just a little bit of work, you can make some money by typing names online. And $300, $100, $200, $250. There's a bunch of options. There's a bunch of money to be made, but you have to put in the work. All right, guys, so what do you think? Do you think you can actually make some money doing this? I know for a fact that you can make money because I have done it, all right? Now, I've submitted a bunch of different names, done a few different slogans. I made money from one slogan. And the nice part, and like I just showed you, I didn't actually come up with that slogan myself. I paid somebody to do it. Yeah, it did cost me $10 to do it, and I think, all in all, I spent, about $60 to $70 to get one commission, one payment of $300. But I paid $60 or $70 out, and I made $300. That means I'm like $230, $240 positive. I made money off this business model simply because I thought of a different way to do it, because guaranteed, I would not come up with any of the ideas that I submitted. And because of that, I made some money. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully kind of opened the doors, opened your mind to thinking a little bit differently, showing you a great business model, but a different way to do it that's almost going to guarantee you're going to make some money. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Share this video out over on Facebook. Show your friends, your family that this is possible, okay? I guarantee you they will love it if they end up submitting an idea and making money. Okay? Maybe they'll buy you lunch, buy you dinner, take you out to drinks, who knows. So again, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.